Frog was sitting on a lily pad, reading a cookbook. It was his birthday, and he wanted to make a birthday cake to surprise his friends. He wrote a list of the ingredients and set out to get them. At first, the frog went to his friend, the miller. He wanted to get a bag of flour. "How will you get the flour home?" asked the miller. "I will swim up the river with it," the frog replied. "But the flour will get wet," warned the miller, "and it will be no use to you at all." "Oh," said Frog, "I'll have to think again." Then the frog went to his friend, Brown Cow, for a bucket of her milk. "How will you get the milk home without spilling it into the river?" asked the brown cow. "Oh, I don't really know," mumbled the frog. "I'll have to think again." Next, the frog decided to visit the hen for some eggs. The hen said, "Take as many as you need." "But how will you get them home?" The frog said, "I'll tuck the eggs under my chin." The frog was so happy. "But you might drop them and they will be broken," replied the hen. Oh, the frog became so sad. "I'll just have to think again." Frog returned to his lily pad empty-handed. The sun was warm and the frog was tired, so he drifted off to sleep. "Happy birthday to you!" Suddenly the frog woke up. On the bank of the pond stood all his friends singing. The miller was holding a birthday cake. But how? The frog was surprised. "We wanted to surprise you," said the miller. Brown Cow provided the milk. The hen gave some eggs. "And I mixed the ingredients with my flour and baked you a cake." "Wow! Thank you," the frog said. He was so happy indeed. "But I was going to make a cake to surprise you." Well, his friends laughed. "You will have to think again." Do you like the story?
Yay!